intake manifold runner control valve solenoid. As you can see, it's kind of old, looks pretty dirty. That's what I think is causing that clicking noise. So we've got our new one right here. I'm about to put it back in. You can see down here we've got one red clip, the 2 bolts, and then there's a hose right here and then a hose down there. And those 2 hoses just connect right here and here. And the clip is on the bottom. So plug that back in, we're good to go. Alright, as you can see, new one's back in the car. Took about 5 minutes to install it, probably 10 minutes to get it out. So we'll see. I'll start the car and we'll check it out. As you see, ticking stopped, so that was the noise.